Hey guys, GameBoy3800 here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your battery in an Alienware M14x. First of all, you're going to want to shut it down. I have updates and stuff to install, so we'll just let it do that. Hopefully that won't take too long. I'm going to skip this for now. Okay, it just shut down, and now we're going to unplug it. I was plugging it in because I didn't know how long it would take, and the battery's at about 20%. I'm replacing this battery because it's only got about 2 hours max of battery in it. This is a new battery. I had the power adapter on standby because it's only got one light out of like 7. So what do you want to do? Well, first, you're going to take out these two screws that are up here in the back corners. I disassembled this unit, well, took this cover off before when I replaced the memory, and I showed you how to do that. If you have not seen that video and you want to, you can click this annotation link right here, or you can get the link in the description. Like with the memory, you just slide the cover back. Here's the old battery. It's held in by 2 screws. You're going to want to take those out. Then unplug it, and you have the entire battery right here. This battery didn't come with any screws. Odd. Hang on for a second while I get these screws out. Alright, the screws are out of the old battery now. This battery actually still has 2 bars of charge left in it. Probably could have let it die down a little bit more. The screws were kind of small, and they came with these little things to keep them onto the battery. So I'm just going to be putting that right back on. Give me a minute. Alright, now I've got them in. Just going to plug this battery into the unit. And then we'll be ready to reassemble. And we're ready to screw the battery back in. Don't make them too tight in case you do need to get the battery back out for some reason. Push the shielding forward and screw it back on. My house has 3 dogs and 2 cats, so there's a good amount of hair pretty much all over the place. Now this battery had 63 work hours. At the end of its life it had 51.37. I have a battery meter on my desktop. I don't know how charged this battery is. It's showing only 1 bar here. But I do have the power adapter, as you can see. So let's power it up. I'll get to you when the unit's fully powered up and see the results. Alright, all the extensions just loaded up, so let's just see what it reads. Yeah, you can see it now. 64.05 work hours. But on the battery, it says 63 work hours. What do we have here? I'm just putting it to my conservative settings so that it'll charge quicker and not be as loud. And I don't know, I guess I'll show you what I have open all the time. I always have the power thing open so I could quickly switch for gaming. And then I always have music open so that I could choose any music I want while I'm playing games. You can see a thing. My bad. Windows installed new updates, hooray. So, yep, that's it. Thanks, Game Boy out. See you next time.